What is up, guys? It's Electric Mustang 104 here. I'm going to be doing yet another reaction video, but this time I'm going to be reacting to how to install a toilet. Well, I have been seeing a lot of YouTubers do it online, and I was like, you know what? I'll try this. So yeah, let's get right on to the video. Oh, this one's messed up. Man, this is messed up. Man, that toilet's messed up, man. No, it's not passing by. Alright, so you make a toilet and a tool kit. Then you break the water injector. Okay. Alright, man. This... Oh my god. I don't know how to explain this. I like this. I liked it. It's pretty funny, though. It's not like the original one. That toilet's from the original video. So, if you want to see how to fix a toilet, click How to Basics video on the top right. And yeah, so yeah, go check it out. I'll see you on the other side.